Thank you for all tuning back in. Last video we installed the new Valvetronic exhaust, and today we're going to be taking a few new clips for you. So let's get some driving videos of this new Valvetronic setup, and then I'll get some flybys for you guys. Unreal. Hit him with a downshift. Natural burbles, nothing tuned in. I gotta say, this new shifter though also improved the car a lot. Having this taller shift knob, having this new Auto Solutions short shifter also made it way better. So thank you to Josh for doing that. Thank you to Prestige for the new knob as well. They gave me a shorter variant as well that I have yet to try, but this one's perfect. It's very close to the steering wheel, so it's really nice to grab. to give you a bit of an idea what it sounds like with the valve closed. We'll close this. As you can see, it goes down a lot. Honestly, my favorite thing about this is that now I can actually hear the airbox. So let's shift down a little bit here. So a lot more tolerable, as you can see. Airbox maybe comes across on the audio well or not, but you can definitely hear it a lot more. So it gives you a good balance. You can definitely drive around the city. You're not gonna piss anybody off. It gives you the best of both worlds. So just before we go, let's get one more first gear pull, DSC off. Unbelievable, unbelievable.